Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more financial comparisons. Here at Rome Tech, we're breaking down the JPMorgan Chase versus Regions Bank debate to help you choose the best fit for your financial needs. Be sure to check the description below for helpful links to products and resources mentioned in this video. Making the right choice between these two banking giants requires a careful examination of your individual banking priorities, from location and available services to digital accessibility and customer support. JPMorgan Chase, a titan in the U.S. banking industry, boasts an extensive suite of financial products and services. From everyday checking and savings accounts to credit cards, mortgages, personal loans, and robust solutions for both small businesses and large corporations, Chase offers a comprehensive banking experience. Its nationwide reach, vast ATM network, and user-friendly digital platform make it an attractive option for customers who prioritize convenience, access to premium credit card rewards, and the ability to manage all their finances under one roof. Chase's dedicated suite of small business and merchant services is particularly appealing to entrepreneurs and established businesses seeking reliable and scalable solutions. Regions Bank, on the other hand, holds a strong regional presence concentrated in the South, Midwest, and Texas. With a more personalized, relationship-focused approach to banking, Regions emphasizes customer service and local community engagement. While it may not have the expansive national footprint of Chase, Regions offers competitive checking and savings accounts, personal and business loans, credit cards, and mortgages. The bank's Life Green accounts often include features designed to streamline financial management and minimize unnecessary fees. Regions also provide solid business banking support, including diverse lending options and treasury management services, although its product selection may not be as extensive or specialized as Chase's offerings. For customers primarily living or operating within Regions' core market area, the convenience of local branches and community-focused service can be a significant advantage. In the realm of digital banking, both institutions offer robust mobile and online platforms. Chase's digital presence is generally regarded as more feature-rich and intuitive, while Regions continues to invest in and improve its mobile and online services to maintain competitiveness. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your unique circumstances. If your priorities include a wide range of products, nationwide accessibility, premium credit card options, and a cutting-edge digital banking experience, JPMorgan Chase likely emerges as the superior choice. However, if you prefer a more regionally focused bank with potentially simpler fee structures, personalized customer service, and a commitment to community-based solutions, Regions Bank might be a better fit. Carefully consider your location, banking habits, and long-term financial goals before making your final decision.